Can weight loss affect period? Hey everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a question that's been on many of your minds. Can weight loss affect your period? Some research suggests that fluctuations in weight can potentially impact the frequency and regularity of your period. A study found that women who were overweight or obese were more likely to experience irregular periods than those with a normal or underweight BMI. However, it's important to note that this correlation doesn't necessarily mean that losing weight will cause changes in your period. The main takeaway here is that maintaining a healthy BMI, regardless of your overall weight, is essential for overall well-being. If you're experiencing irregular periods, any other concerning symptoms related to your menstrual cycle, it's always best to seek medical advice. I hope this helps answer some of your questions about weight loss and periods. Remember to prioritize your health and well-being, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more informative content.